Since I was a teenager, I've been wearing partials, and it lead up until an adult that it get worse. Like it would go from losing one teeth to another, and most of the time, the dentist wouldn't tell you that they could save your tooth. They just take it out. Back where we're from, it's like a third world country. You know what I'm saying? It's like, and my mom deceased very early, so I didn't have that, parent to, instruct me the right way. So I was doing partial for a while, and then I had to change them ever so often. And then one point, about 3 years ago, I was eating something and I was talking to my daughter, and then the partial came like very loose and start falling out. So I decided that, I have to do something. So I normally take care of everybody except myself, looking about family member back in where I'm from. So then I decided, it's time to do me. So then when I had that experience, I decided that I'm gonna, do something.
Novell got to us because she dreamed of a beautiful smile. She had a big event coming up, and she was missing teeth. Whatever she had as the replacement neither looked good nor functioned well for her. She said, it's very important for me. This is the kid that I took care of since he was very little. It's very important for me to be present at that wedding as true me, smiling and being proud of who I am and being proud of bringing up this young man that is now getting married.
Before they did the work, I got a preview what I would look like after. So it was like, that was one of the things that got me too. When I saw she said, oh, this is the after, and I said, oh my God, I love it. So that's one of the things that had me, because I've seen what I would actually look like after, before they actually did the work.
She had a procedure called All-on-X done, where we placed implants, and we were able to get rid of her removable dentures, give her non-removable smile that looks great, bites great. Most importantly, she's just so happy with it. It's changed her life.
I was overwhelmed. Yeah. Now I smile it's like the more I have more confidence in myself, it's like my smile is just infectious. Everywhere I go, people, oh my God, your teeth are so white. I said, oh, thank you very much. So yeah. Yeah.